If you want to set up Discord voice chat and create your own server from scratch, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from making the server to creating a voice channel and getting your audio settings dialed in so you can start talking with friends, teammates, or community members right away. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Discord guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Discord and sign into your account. Once you're inside, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where all of your servers appear, and this is also where you'll create a new one. Find the plus icon on the left side and click it. Discord will ask what kind of server you want to create. Click Create My Own if you want a custom server for friends, gaming, study groups, or any other community. If Discord gives you template options, you can choose one that fits your goal, or skip the template if you want to build everything yourself. Next, enter your server name. Try to pick something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to invite other people later. You can also upload a server icon if you want to make it look more personal and professional. This part is optional, but it does help your server stand out. Once everything looks good, click Create. Now your Discord server is ready. The next step is creating a voice channel, which is what you'll use for live conversations. On the left side of your server, look for the Voice Channel section. If you don't see it yet, Discord may have created a default layout, but you can still add one easily. Click the plus icon next to Voice Channels. A new window will pop up asking you to name the channel. Type in a name that makes sense for the type of chat you want, like general voice, gaming chat, study room, or anything else you prefer. Then make sure Voice Channel is selected, because that is the type you need for live audio communication. After that, click Create Channel. At this point, your server and your voice channel are both set up. But there's one more important step before you start talking: checking your audio settings. This helps make sure people can hear you clearly and that you can hear everyone else without any issues. To do that, click the gear icon near your username at the bottom of Discord. This opens User Settings. From there, go to Voice and Video. Here, you'll see all of your microphone and speaker options. Under Input Device, select the microphone you want Discord to use. If you have more than one mic connected, make sure you choose the correct one. Under Output Device, select your headphones or speakers so you can hear the voice chat properly. This is a really important step, especially if you use a headset, because selecting the wrong device can make it seem like Discord isn't working when it actually is. Once your devices are selected, click Let's Check to test your audio. Speak into your microphone and listen for playback so you can confirm everything is working as expected. If your voice is too quiet or too loud, adjust the input volume. If the sound coming through Discord is too soft or too loud, adjust the output volume. Take a few seconds here to fine-tune the settings, because a small adjustment can make a big difference in call quality. Now that your server and voice settings are ready, it's time to join the voice chat. Simply click the voice channel you just created. Discord may ask for microphone access, especially on a browser or on certain devices, so allow it if prompted. Once you're inside the voice channel, you're officially connected and ready to talk with other members. If you're alone for now, that's okay too, because this is the place where friends or community members will join later. And that's it. You've now learned how to set up a Discord server, create a voice channel, configure your microphone and speakers, and join voice chat successfully. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Discord how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.